Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D text effect on CapCut PC. Super simple to do, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to add a text on top of this area here. You can type in anything you want. I'm just going to obviously type in room. You can use any font that you would like to as well. I'm just going to add in some shadow here. Let's add some more blurriness to that and adjust the opacity a little. Go to effects here and add player 3 on top. It is a pro feature. Turn off the glow and turn off texture as well. And then you're just going to basically select just the text and the effect. Right click, create compound clip. Select it and then go to the effect here. And here you're just going to kind of rotate it to the room. I know you can't see it, but you kind of have to like move back and forth to see if you've like adjusted it properly, like so. And that's pretty much it. It's as simple as that. You can kind of adjust the duration a little bit more, but yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.